ARMP stock analysis for Tuesday and onwards. Am I buying is the question, and I'm covering all that in this very brief and short 1-minute video. I am the only person in the stock trading space that's actually documented 40,000 videos all on this YouTube channel. It's taken me 5 years, but I've seen what's making me money and what's not, most importantly, and it's all documented. So you can see, like, all I can say to you is that this is still something that I'm looking to double down after a pump up like that. Post market gives it all away. It's already at 286, 289 actually, and with that in mind, I'm just certain that next time we open, we're gonna open like maybe pre-market is gonna be 3, who knows. But again, that's something that I'm willing to trade. I mean, from just how I'm looking at the post market, yeah, maybe after we open the price, if it corrects down and gives me some sort of like a correction and my rules are met, yeah, maybe then. But like just trying to force movements, it's not gonna happen. And I'm telling you, like, with utmost freaking humbleness, because again, like, I've done 40,000 videos and I've seen what's making me personally money and what's not. So if you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month without indicators, click the first link in the description and get my free emails.